Hi, I am York. I am the Service Department Manager here at Test Equipment Depot, and I'm going to introduce to you the Owon HDS1021M 20 MHz Handheld Digital Storage Oscilloscope. This features auto scaling. It has 20 automatic measurements. It has a 2-in-1 digital storage oscilloscope and multimeter. It has a bandwidth of 20 megahertz, and it supports USB for data transmission to a PC. It has a Tft True-Color LED display, and it has a replaceable lithium-ion battery backup that will power the instrument for 6 hours. This has multiple menus. This one sets the measurement mode, and has the various functions such as the digital storage memory. This is the time mode. This enables you to zoom in or define a window. This is the acquisition mode, whether you want vector or point acquisition. This has various measuring capabilities. This enables you to set up the channel coupling and turn the channel on and off and the bandwidth. This enables you to adjust the trigger, such as edge, video. The slope, you can select rising or falling slope. This is standard or automatic recurring triggering. And this is the vertical scale. It also doubles as a multimeter. It includes a set of test leads that you could plug in and measure both digitally and analog, and also has a center needle mode. Thank you for watching. I am York with Test Equipment Depot.